Hi everyone, welcome to Art Draw. You're going to need a piece of paper and some pens. Today we're going to draw the Avengers. Let's do some headshots. Let's go top right up here. We're going to draw Thor, start with his helmet, a line down here, and on the other side a line here. Let's do a bit of an arc on the right, a bit of an arc on the left. And we're going to join these up with some straight lines here. We're going to do this little pattern 3 times. There we go. Okay, let's move an angle here and here. Let's go down and down, around. That's the bottom of his helmet. Okay, let's do a bit of a curve from the top to the bottom. Other side, top to the bottom. And we're going to curve around the top of his helmet here and move it down to the bottom here. Add some arcs in on the left and the right for detail, and one on the top. Okay, that helmet's taking shape. Let's do a little cheeky nose here, and I'm going to pop an eye in here, and we're just going to colour in black for the eyes today. Leave a little pop of white on the left hand side. Yeah, let's do Thor's smile, his lip, and a bit of a strong chin under here. Right, let's add some detail to the helmet, so I'm just going to move around the helmet area and the other side as well. So we're going to go down here, up and around, and join it up. And now we're probably going to just put some little areas out, show these sort of winged parts of the helmet. Cool. Alright, next up, who are we going to do? Iron Man. So let's have a think. Let's do a curve around here. This is his brow. So we're going to move up some straight lines and down. That's the top of his forehead. Now we're going to put his eyes in. So very angular Iron Man. There's 2 eyes. Curve around to do his head. Top of his head is sorted. Just going to continue down the bottom there. It's a little bit straighter, around and up. Join it. Okay, that's the outer of his head. Line here and a line here. Move that out and angular in and angle in. Straight down. Okay, so this is his mouth area here. Join that up again there. Just a bit darker there where his mouth is. Let's just put some detail in on the top of Iron Man's head here. Okay, cool. Next up, who have we got? Let's do Hulk. Right in the middle here, pretty big. Start off with a big nose. Yeah, that's a Hulk-like nose. Okay. A little bit of a grimace around the edges of that nose. Okay, this is a really angry eyebrows of Hulk. Yeah. You've got to be angry if you're going to draw Hulk. 2 big eyebrows here. Let's colour those in black. Nice one. Let's put his eyes in. Circle here, and under here a circle again. Colour that in black. Leave a little bit of white. Make his eye pop. Yeah. Okay, there's an angry face coming together. Let's do his mouth. So kind of a curve up here, round and down, curve around there, and just join that up. Yes. And then we're going to do his teeth, and we're going to do a little triangular black area. There we go. It's looking pretty angry. Bit of a lip. Think about his cheekbones. So he's got quite prominent cheekbones on the left and the right here. His jaw going on, left and the right, and let's join it up with a big chin. Alright, Hulk's coming together. Let's do some ears. One ear here, just circle and a little bit of an inner ear. There we go. Okay, hair. Crazy flyaway Hulk hair. So lots of little spiky areas, and on the bottom here to his fringe. Join it up to the ear, and on the left hand side join it up with the ear, join this side up with the ear. Okay, let's colour it in black. So I'm just going to leave a little area of white, and I'm going to colour in the bottom half. So the Hulk hair really will take shape now, and he's looking pretty angry, so I'm pretty pleased with how I've done Hulk. Okay, nearly there. Great, that's looking good. Okay, who's going to go in the middle? Middle bottom, Hawkeye. So, I have Hawkeye with his mask on, so he's quite angry looking. So a couple of angular eyebrows, and then chips into those, almost like triangles for his eyes. Now he's got these winged element, there you go, around here, and a curve and up for his mask. We'll just do the same thing to the bottom. We'll just put this out here, I'll go around his nose, and we'll just join these up with a curve line there, and another curved line here. That's his mask taking shape. Let's do the top of his head. Great, and he's got an H on his head for Hawkeye, so it's going to be a big chunky H in the middle there. Nice. Just join that up. And a line here, and another, and two lines again there. Alright, let's do his face. So I'm just going to do a curve around from the bottom of the mask here, around and up. And we're going to do two lines where that mask joins up to his chin. Let's do his nose. Bit of two angular noses and a bit of a grimace on his face, I think. He's pretty mean, is Hawkeye. Yep. Okay, that's Hawkeye. Next up, we're going to do top left, Black Widow. So let's have a think. Let's do a one nose here, and then one eyebrow on the right and an eyebrow on the left there. Let's do the eyes. So flick out underneath and a flick out for the top of the eye. Then the underneath just joins up, and that bit just joins up there. Let's fill that eye in, again leaving a little bit white. Cool. Let's do some lips now, so just underneath the nose. Okay, some full lips, a bit of a smile. There we are. Right, let's do the cheek to the jaw, down to the chin, and around again, curve it round. Good. I want some of her crazy hair, so a few circular curves and around. And then some angular areas out to the right. And then let's do a left part of the hair, so this is a larger area. Move it up here, and flick it up, curve it around. Okay, underneath there, move it around, right out, join it up with the face. Now we can just join this area all up together. So curve it around, down, flick it up. Cool. Just join up the area there. Wicked. That's cool. Okay, bottom left. Who are we going to do now? Okay, we're just going to go into there and we're going to do Captain America. So let's start with his nose. And then let's get the eyes in. Here. Just again, put that black area a little bit white. And Captain America's wholesome smile going in there. Now let's have a think. Got to do the rest of his head. So start off with his cheek, go all the way around top of his head and down, right down there. Then we're going to jaw, it's quite square, and up. Link up just above his nose and down below his nose for his mask. And then we're going to just do two straight lines here for the cutout around his mask. Line down here, and then up and around the eye, and on the other side, up and around the eye. And let's join these bits up now. Yeah, he's not looking angry, but he's looking good. Okay, he's got an A on his head, so we're going to do a chunky A right here. There we go. Just fill it in the middle there. Okay, he's got his little winged areas here. So one there and one up here. Cool. Just a little line up here, bit of detail up there. Yes, that's a nice bit of detail. Okay, there's the lines done for the Avengers. So let's colour these guys in. First of all, Thor, let's have a look. The colour is skin in, so get a skin colour pen. Just going to colour him in. Leave a little bit of light around him. Just on the left hand side, and just a little bit of light around his nose. Great, okay. Next up, Hawkeye's got skin colour, so I'm going to do the same with him. Just fill in a certain area around here. Yep, a little bit of white pop. Okay, Black Widow. Let's do the same thing. Move around here, colour her in. Cool, just leave a little bit at the bottom there. Great. Captain America, very similar to Hawkeye, so just going to colour in around here. Leave a little chip of light just around the eyes. Just a hint. Right then, let's have a look at Thor's helmet. So let's get a grey colour. Just colour those in, just around the edges here. And I'm going to leave a little bit of light in this helmet, so I'm going to colour in around here. Just mark up where you want to leave the light. Colour a bit down here. Yep, that's cool. So next up, let's look at Iron Man. So Iron Man, we're going to need a yellow and we're going to need a red. So let's start with yellow. Let's do his faceplate. I think I'll just leave a little bit in the sort of middle on the left. It's going to be a bit lighter. Give that shiny metallic look. Good pop. Yes, that's it. Let's move on to the red. And just colour him in. Leave a little bit of light if you want. All around here. There he is now. Use a little bit of blue for his eyes, I think. Yes, that's it. Okay, next up we've got Hulk. Get the green out. That's what we want. So let's colour Hulk in. Nice bit of green. He'll really turn into the Hulk now. Leave a few areas here. I'm just going to put some circles in so I know where I'm not going to colour in. And just colour around all of that. Loads of green. So a bit of highlight on his chin. Bit of highlight on his nose and on his cheek over on the left. Colour the rest of his forehead in. And then let's colour his ear in. There we go. Alright, let's do Hawkeye. We're going to need some blues and some purples for Hawkeye. So let's start with blue. Top of his costume is blue. The mask area goes in here, around. Okay, I'm just going to leave the top area there so it looks like the light's reflecting on it. Just fill in down here. Right, let's get the purple. colour that mask in purple. And then just get the H filled in. Now he's taking shape. And the 2 lines we did earlier, fill those in. Cool. Okay, next up, Black Widow. Just going to need a nice orange for her strawberry blonde hair. So fill that hair area in. And just fill around. Just going to leave a little bit light at the top to give it a shine. And just fill it in down the bottom there. Yeah, that's looking good. Oh, so just a little bit of a darker orangey red just for the highlights, I think, on this one. Just going to fill it in on the right hand side just to give it a little bit more detail. A tiny little bit of shadow, I think it needs it. Okay, Captain America, let's get a blue, but a lighter blue than Hawkeye's. And we'll just colour in that mask. Again, leave a little bit of area at the top for the light to bounce off it. Zoom in under there. And around there. And that is the Avengers Assemble. Thanks for watching Art Draw.